Students, myself Shamin Kazi from Genius International School.
Students, this is our very first lesson of our new syllabus of maths, two-digit numbers. So here we have some warm-up exercise that number 1 to 100 is given to us. You must have learned number 1 to 100 in your previous year. So let us warm up with the given exercise in this book first and then move on to our new topics. So here we have some numbers, but some numbers are missing here. We have to complete by writing that numbers on the table. So let us start. Here we have number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and number 8 is missing here. So we will write here number 8, 9, 10. In the next line 11, 12 is missing. So we will write here 12, 13, 14, 15 is missing. So we will write a number 15, 16, 17, number 18 is missing. We will write a number 18, 19, 20. So on we will complete this table by writing the missing numbers here. Next we'll write the number names of the given numbers. If some number has given to us, we have to write the spelling of that numbers. That is known as number names. So first it is given to us 56. So we will write here F-I-F-T-Y 50 S-I-X 6. This is the number name of the given number 56. Then we will move on to number 67. Here the spelling of number 67 is S-I-X-T-Y 60 S-E-V-E-N 7 67. So thus we have to complete the same way the given number spelling also. Now let us move on the new topic of our syllabus, building numbers up to 99. This is a 10 strips. That means there is a 10 blocks on one strip. 10 ones is equal to 110. Let us have a look how number 43 is formed. Now here are the picture of 4 10 strips. That means we have one strip, 4 blocks are there. In the same way we have 4 strips. That means we have 10, 20, 30 and 40 strips of 10 blocks. And we have 3 single blocks. So we will write it as 10, 4 tens and 3 ones. Okay. Now we read this as 43. Similarly, we have here 2 strips of tens and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 single blocks. So we will write it as 2 tens and 7 ones. So it will be read as 27. So here one more exercise we have of writing the number names, which we have to complete it by writing the spelling of the given number. Now the another topic is place value and face value. The place value of a digit is position in that number. For example, in the number 15, the place value of 5 is 5 ones and the place value of 1 is 110. Now let us consider the number 25. Here we have number 25 with us. So how we will write this number in tens and ones block? 5 will be considered as ones and 2 will be considered as tens. So the place value of 5 is ones and the place value of 2 is tens, that is 2020. Similarly, the number 47 has 7 in one place and 4 in the tens place. So look at this column. 7 is in ones place and 4 is in tens place. So the place value of 7 is 7 only and the place value of 4 will be 40 because it is on tens place. Now let us move on to face value. The face value of a number is the number itself regardless of the position in that number. That means whatever will be the number, its face value will be same. If the number is 9 on ones place, the face value will be 9, and the number is 2 on tens place, the face value will remain 2 only. It is not going to be 20. Okay students, did you got this much? Now our next topic is expanded and standard form. Expanded form is the way of expressing the number as the sum of the place value of all the digits. Let us see the example. Write 54 in expanded form. We can write 54 in expanded form as, this is the number 54 given to us, so we will write 5 in its tens, that is 5 tens plus 4 ones. This is known as the expanded form, so it will be written as 50 plus 4, that is 54. So this type of writing, it is known as expanded form, and after the addition of these two numbers 50 plus 4, the number 54 will come. This is known as standard form. Did you got it students? So here we have some practical time, that is the exercise of the explanation what I had given to you. You have to solve this exercise. The first example is given to you. In tens column there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 strips of 10 blocks. So here we have written 5, and the single blocks are in one column is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means 50 plus 5 is 55, and we have to write the spelling of 55 here. In the same way you have to solve this exercise here. Now question number 2 is complete the numbers and fill in the blanks. 73, that is standard number, is given to us, standard form. We have to expand it by writing the separate numbers. So 73 is given to here. We have to write is 7 in tens place and 3 in ones place. In the same way, it has been given 9 number is given, another number is missing, and here we have 4 in ones place in the blank. So we will write here 4, that is the standard form is 94, and we will write here 9 in tens place. In the same way you have to solve the other question also. The solution, the pics with the solution will be given to you. Now write the place value of the colored digit. Now here some numbers have given to you and some colored numbers has also given. You have to write the place value of the colored digit. Our first number is 55, and here 5 is given to us to write the place value of this. So the first 5 place value is ones, 5 ones. Now second number 7 is given to us, that is in the tens place. So we will write here 7 tens. Did you got student how to complete this exercise? Now the next one is write in expanded form. The standard number is given to us. We have to write it in the expanded form. That is 40 plus 5. So we will write here 40 plus 5. 67. That is 60 plus 7. Now question number 5 is write the given number in standard form. So the number is given to you 50 plus 5. So we will write it here 55. 30 plus 4. 34. In the same way you have to complete all these question. Now number 6 is match the 4 boxes by coloring them alike. You have to match the box in the same color. For example, 11 is given to you, and here it is answer 1, 10 and 1 ones. So you have to color it down with the same color here also and here also. Now students, I will show you how to match these boxes with the help of the color. See here now, number 48 has given to us, and here we have 4 tens and 8 ones. So you have to color the 48 with same color green. I am using a green color here, and here also I am using the green color because that both are the answer to each other. Now for the next number I am using red color. Here I have number 36 and its answer is 3 tenths and 6 1. So I will color it 36 with the red here, and here also I am using the red color of its answer. Did you got it how I am doing it? Right. Now I am using 24 with the blue color, and answer of it is 2 tenths and 4 1. So I am using blue color here in it also. And another color I am having yellow with me. I am using 63 for, and the answer is 6 tenths and 3 ones. In the same way you have to complete this also. Now students, we have another topic, that is before, after and between numbers. Before numbers are the numbers what just come after the given number. For example, 34 has been given to us. We have to write 35 because 35 comes just after 34. Now let us move on to next number, that is 56. 56 is given to us. So which number comes after 56? Yes, 57. So we will write here 57. Now 78. 78 number is given to us. So did you all know which number comes after 78? Yes, 79. Now next number is 89. Which number comes after 89? 90. Very good. So in this way we have to complete other numbers also. Now the before number, what do you mean by before number? The number just come before the given number. Here are the example. 34 is given to us. So which number just come before 34? 33. Now the other number is given to us 98. So which number comes just before the 98? Good, 97. So we will write the 97. Now next number is 8080. So which number comes before 80? 79. In the same way we have to complete all the given question. And the third one is between number, the number which comes between the two given numbers. Here are the two numbers has been given to us, 23 and 25. So which number comes after 23 and before 25? 24. Now 56 and 58. So which number comes after 56? Yes, good, 57. And the same number comes before 58. So this is called a between number. Our next topic is counting forward and backward. Now here are the table which has been given to us. We have to write the three numbers counting it forward. That means 23 is given to us. We have to write 24. After 24, 25 and 26. In the same way 39 has been given to us. We will write which number comes after 39? 40, 40. After 40, 41. After 41, 42. Very good. The same way you have to complete this 58, 64 and 96. And this is the last topic of our first part of our lesson number 1, count backward. That means the number has given to us 79. We have to write the previous three number of 79. That means before 79 it comes 78. Before 78 it comes 77. And before 77 it comes 76. So let us look on the next number, 90. Which number comes before 90? 89. And the number before 89? 88. Very good. And before 88, 87. Now students, this is the first part of our first lesson. Because lesson is too lengthy, so I had made a video of into two parts. So whatever the exercise I have shown you, I will send the pics with the solution so that you can complete it in your